Wound. A wound is a break or cut in the continuity of any body structure, internal or external, caused by physical means. Classification or types of wounds based on status of skin integrity: open wound, closed wound. Causes of the wound: there is surgical wound or intentional and unintentional wound. Based on mechanism of injury: lacerated wounds, contusion, incisions, abrasions. Based on severity of injury: penetration, perforation, puncture or stab wound. Based on degree of contamination: clean wound, contaminated wound, clean contaminated wound, infected wound, colonized wound. Wound healing is a restoration of the disruption in the integrity of the tissue. The process is divided into 5 phases, that is blood clotting, inflammatory phase, destructive phase, proliferative phase, and maturation phase. There are 3 types of wound healing: healing by first intention or primary wound healing, healing by second intention or secondary healing, and last, healing by third intention or delayed closure. These are the factors that influence wound healing, such as health, age, nutritional status, obesity, fluid and electrolyte balance. If there is a wound that has to be sutured, so the types of suture material are absorbable suture material, non-absorbable suture material, staples, skin adhesives or tissue adhesives. The dressing materials may be sterilized cotton or gauze pieces. The types of dressings are gauze dressing, non-antiseptic dressing, antiseptic dressing, wet dressing, pressure dressing, TELFA, self-adhesive transparent film dressing. And the nursing responsibility.